First, it's possible that the mixer has been frozen by the cylinder. The freezing of the cylinder caused a very slow rotational speed, so it led to the 5-5 alarm. Second, the reducer. It is possible that one reducer can rotate while the other cannot. This situation can also result in 5-5 alarm. Third, the belt. Perhaps due to prolonged use, the teeth of the belt have been ground flat. After the belt is ground flat, it might be slip. So in this situation, we need to adjust the motor up and down to adjust the tightness of the belt, or replace a new belt. In this case, the 5-5 alarm can be lifted. Fourth, the electrical machinery. The motor rotates very slowly, or the motor may not rotate. In this situation, it will also trigger the 5-5 alarm. Fifth, the sensor. We need to check if the screw of the sensor is loose or damaged sensor screws. It will also cause the 5-5 alarm.